The family Sonolistidae contains the 7 surviving species of shrew opossum, small, shrew-like marsupials that are confined to the Andes Mountains of South America. The order is thought to have diverged from the ancestral marsupial line very early. They were once included in the superorder, but it is now known that Amaridelphia is paraphyletic, having given rise to Australodelphia, and thus could be considered an evolutionary grade. Genetic studies indicate that they are the second most basal order of marsupials, after the didelphimorphs. As recently as 20 million years ago, at least 7 genera were in South America. Today, just 3 genera remain. They live in inaccessible forest and grassland regions of the high Andes. Shrews were entirely absent from South America until the Great American Interchange 3 million years ago, and are currently present only in the northwestern part of the continent. Traditionally, it was thought that shrew opossums lost ground to these and other placental invaders that fill the same ecological niches. Evidence suggests, however, that both groups not only overlap, but do not seem to be in direct competition, and the marsupial's larger size seems to imply that they prey on shrews and rodents. Several opossums, such as Monodelphis, also occupy small insectivore niches. Shrew opossums, also known as rat opossums or coenolestids, are about the size of a small rat, 9 to 14 centimeters long, with thin limbs, a long, pointed snout and a slender, hairy tail. They are largely carnivorous, being active hunters of insects, earthworms, and small vertebrates. They have small eyes and poor sight, and hunt in the early evening and at night, using their hearing and long, sensitive whiskers to locate prey. They seem to spend much of their lives in burrows and on surface runways. Like several other marsupials, they do not have a pouch, and it appears that females do not carry the young constantly, possibly leaving them in the burrow. Largely because of their rugged, inaccessible habitat, they are very poorly known and have traditionally been considered rare. Several ecological factors, including density of forest, contribute to the part of the forest the shrew opossums occupy. Recent studies suggest they may be more common than had been thought. Their karyotype has also been described through contemporary research in order to better understand this organism.